What's up, everybody? I'm Nat Metallics. Thanks for tuning in. I just woke up. Can you tell that I just woke up? I think you can tell that I just woke up. It's about that time to get our face ready. Every time I get ready for work, it's always a surprise. I never plan anything ahead. Unless I'm trying to match it with my outfit or something, which I usually leave at the last minute. And I try to keep it simple, but you still want a nice little pretty something. So let's see what we come up with today. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back.